Remember, if you cannot run from the bear or have weapons, you must become one with the trees. You must become one with the plants, hiding behind each branch, knowing where to step and when to step, and when to do ninja maneuvers. And this is when you know you are Snowshoe Man. But if you are not a snowshoe man or woman, you must start somewhere, and sometimes that start is when you are falling down the hill.
Perfect spot for a black bear. You know, they're everywhere. That's why I always carry bear mace and weapons. Not to kill them, just to let them know that I'm OG.
He carries weapons so often that I just take him along with me as my bodyguard.
Bodyguard with extra booty, you know what I mean?
Knowing I'm fully protected.
Yeah. Bear! Run for your life! Tuck and roll technique, always a good one. Baby, where are you at? Baby, where are you at? Hey, that's the... Swear to God, I'm stronger than she is. She just doesn't know it yet. Licking my wounds. But you just gotta, that's the thing, you just gotta trek on, you gotta keep on going. Ain't that right, baby? You always gotta add some of that romance. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Romance, baby. Oh, what the hell? You want to make sure that you're keeping your glasses clean. Keep them clean, because you never know when a predator is going to be lurking in the bushes. Keep your glasses clean, people.
Keep them clean.
Ooh, spicy. You want to have your boots on right and tight, because if you got to run up a hill and you're slipping and sliding with your regular boots or shoes, you want to be moving fast. So I'm going to show you how to run with these babies on, all right? So, tuck and roll technique, always a good one.
Entertained, try to film snowflakes.
Filming snowflakes all the way to the ground. Hey guys, we are out here enjoying this beautiful weather, doing what we do best, and that's explore. It is a lovely, beautiful day, as you can see. And I'm not sure what the weather is going to be like. Baby, do you know?
The next 2 days, we're supposed to get between 4 and 8 inches of snow. Continuous light snowfall.
Oh, we're going to love it. It's going to be a beautiful day. You got to get out there. We could shovel that off and get a hockey rink going. Actually, no. It looks more like a bear.